MrBeast Burger was formed as a virtual restaurant brand in December 2020 by the popular YouTuber MrBeast, whose real name is Jimmy Donaldson. The brand operates exclusively through food delivery apps, including Uber Eats, DoorDash, and Grubhub, and offers a limited menu of burgers, chicken sandwiches, fries, and drinks. MrBeast Burger has no physical restaurant locations of its own. Instead, it partners with existing restaurants and commercial kitchens to prepare and deliver its food. This allows the brand to quickly expand its reach without the costs and complexities of building and operating its own restaurants. MrBeast Burger has quickly gained popularity in part due to the brand's marketing strategy, which leverages MrBeast's massive online following and uses social media influencers to promote the brand. As of April 2023, MrBeast Burger has partnerships with over 2,000 locations across the United States, making it one of the fastest-growing virtual restaurant brands. MrBeast Burger became famous due to a combination of factors, including MrBeast's popularity. MrBeast, the founder of MrBeast Burger, is a popular YouTuber with over 63 million subscribers. His videos, which often involve elaborate stunts and challenges, have gained a massive following over the years. When he launched MrBeast Burger, his fans were excited to try the brand and show their support. Viral marketing. MrBeast Burger's marketing strategy leverages social media and influencer marketing to promote its brand and products. The brand has partnered with popular social media influencers such as YouTubers and TikTokers to create buzz and generate interest. These influencers create content featuring MrBeast Burger and share it with their followers, expanding the brand's reach. Unique concept. MrBeast Burger's virtual restaurant concept is relatively new and has gained popularity in recent years, particularly due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The brand's limited menu of burgers, chicken sandwiches, fries, and drinks has a simple yet appealing concept, making it easy for customers to order and enjoy. Wide availability. MrBeast Burger operates through food delivery apps, including Uber Eats, DoorDash, and Grubhub, and partners with existing restaurants and commercial kitchens to prepare and deliver its food. This allows the brand to quickly expand its reach without the costs and complexities of building and operating its own restaurants. As a result, MrBeast Burger is widely available across the United States. Overall, MrBeast Burger's combination of MrBeast's popularity, viral marketing, unique concept, and wide availability have contributed to its fame and success. MrBeast Burger's marketing strategy primarily relies on social media and influencer marketing to promote its brand and products. Here are some ways MrBeast Burger markets itself. Partnering with influencers. MrBeast Burger partners with popular social media influencers such as YouTubers and TikTokers to promote its brand and products. These influencers create content featuring MrBeast Burger and share it with their followers, who are likely to be interested in trying the brand. Leveraging MrBeast's massive following. MrBeast, the founder of MrBeast Burger, has over 63 million subscribers on YouTube and over 20 million followers on Instagram. He frequently promotes the brand and its products through his own social media channels, reaching a massive audience. Collaborating with other brands. MrBeast Burger has collaborated with other brands, such as FaZe Clan and Marshmello, to create limited-time menu items and promotions. These collaborations generate buzz and attract fans of the partnering brands. Creating unique menu items. MrBeast Burger's menu includes unique items such as the Beast-style burger and the Chris-style sandwich, named after MrBeast's friends and collaborators. These items create a sense of exclusivity and excitement around the brand. Offering giveaways and promotions. MrBeast Burger frequently offers giveaways and promotions such as free burgers and discounts to incentivize customers to try the brand and share their experiences on social media. These promotions create a sense of urgency and encourage customer engagement with the brand. MrBeast Burger has given competition to other burger brands in a few different ways. Competitive pricing. MrBeast Burger's menu items are competitively priced, often cheaper than similar items from other burger brands. This can attract customers who are looking for a good value and are willing to try a new brand to save money. Unique menu items. MrBeast Burger's menu includes unique items, such as the Beast-style burger and the Chris-style sandwich, which are not available at other burger chains. These items can attract customers who are looking for something different and exciting. Viral marketing. MrBeast Burger's marketing strategy leverages social media and influencer marketing to promote its brand and products. The brand has partnered with popular social media influencers, such as YouTubers and TikTokers, to create buzz and generate interest. This can attract younger, social media savvy customers who are more likely to try new brands based on what they see on social media. Fast expansion. MrBeast Burger has quickly expanded across the United States through partnerships with existing restaurants and commercial kitchens. This allows the brand to reach customers in areas where it may not have been previously available, potentially taking business away from other burger chains in those areas. Overall, MrBeast Burger's combination of competitive pricing, unique menu items, viral marketing, and fast expansion has given it a competitive edge against other burger brands. However, it remains to be seen whether it can maintain this momentum and continue to grow in the highly competitive fast food market.